Ever wonder about the silent guardians of a company's financial integrity? You know, the folks who pore over the books, scrutinize every transaction, and ultimately give their stamp of approval, or not, on whether a company's financial statements are a true and fair reflection of its health. These are the auditors, and for publicly traded companies, their role is absolutely critical for investor confidence and market transparency. We often hear about companies like Expensify, a popular platform that simplifies expense reports, corporate cards, and bill pay. They help businesses, from small startups to large enterprises, manage their spending efficiently. But behind the user-friendly interface and streamlined processes, there's a whole world of financial oversight. And a crucial part of that oversight involves independent auditors. Why does it matter who Expensify's auditor is? Well, think of it this way: Expensify handles a tremendous amount of financial data for its users. Businesses rely on its accuracy for their own financial reporting, tax purposes, and operational insights. For Expensify itself, as a publicly traded company, its financial statements are under constant scrutiny by investors, analysts, and regulators like the SEC. An independent auditor provides an objective assessment of those financial statements, ensuring they comply with accounting standards and present a fair picture of the company's financial position. This independent verification is what gives stakeholders trust in the numbers. Without it, the financial world would be a much riskier place. Now, let's get to the core of it. Who is Expensify's auditor? For the fiscal year ending December 31st, 2025, Expensify has made a significant change in its independent registered public accounting firm. Previously, the company had been working with Ernst & Young LLP, commonly known as EY, for their audits of the fiscal years ending December 31st, 2024 and 2023. Their reports on Expensify's consolidated financial statements for those years contained no adverse opinions or disclaimers, indicating a clean bill of health. However, on March 5, 2025, the Audit Committee of Expensify's Board of Directors made a strategic decision. They dismissed Ernst & Young LLP and, at the same time, engaged KPMG LLP as their new independent registered public accounting firm for the fiscal year ending December 31st. 2025. This change was publicly disclosed through an 8-K filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which is a standard procedure for publicly traded companies when such a change occurs. It's important to note that the SEC filing indicated there were no disagreements or reportable events between Expensify and EY during the periods in question leading up to the dismissal. This means the change wasn't due to any disputes over accounting principles or practices, which can sometimes be a red flag. Instead, it appears to be a decision made by Expensify's audit committee to move forward with KPMG for their future financial reporting. This means that for the current fiscal year and moving forward, KPMG will be the firm responsible for auditing Expensify's financial statements, ensuring their accuracy and compliance with all relevant regulations. This is a common practice for companies to switch auditors periodically, often to gain fresh perspectives or for strategic reasons. The key takeaway is that Expensify, as a publicly traded entity, maintains an independent auditor to uphold financial transparency and accountability for its investors and the wider market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.